Hello everyone, my name is Manyata Mabian. I study in Shivkumar High School. As a part of awareness, I'll be presenting a small dance on a poem written by my friend. It is about we kids who want freedom from COVID and want our pre-COVID life back. I'm sure you guys want it too. So I request everybody to follow all COVID safety rules and all who are above the age of 18 to get vaccinated as soon as possible. Please go for vaccination and take a step forward towards freedom from COVID. I'd like to thank Shivkumar sir for giving us kids this opportunity to spread awareness for COVID vaccination.
Freedom from COVID, if granted to world's every kid, so limitless will be our happiness that no one will care if the world's mess. Kids will no longer be all alone. They will have chips, chocolates and ice cream cones. Dadin dinda, dadin dinda, dadin dinda, takadin dinda. Nothing again will ever be online and families can go out to dine to random places everyone shall fly and tons of souvenirs we shall buy. It will light up our souls like the sun and all of us will shout, that's it, COVID's done, COVID's done, COVID's done.